him out.
Good morning all. Just starting to build cars on YouTube now. The first one I've gone with is the Freelander 2. This has already been delivered. I used a local company called V10 Transport who were very good. Picked it up, sent pictures, delivered it, and they were relatively cheap and they did it just so quick, so I highly recommend them. I'm going to go with this first. So it's had a front impact, not too much damage, should be able to build it up quite easily. I'm going to generally use this as my A to B car, so I'll show you around it.
One of the first things I actually did, I noticed there's a bit of tape on this window switch. Obviously don't press it, but because I'm male, the first thing I do is press it. So now the window's down. The first thing I'm going to have to do is replace the window regulator on that door, get the window back up just so it doesn't let in any more water. Only a little bit has come through, but that's what it is. I'm male, I press the button, don't press it.
Door card now off, and then it's just unbolting these, and that's the window regulator, all comes out, got to secure the window so it doesn't drop and smash, and that's it really, relatively easy. Windows unclipped, so we'll work it out and get it out the door. That's going to be the problem. How do they do it? As easy as that.
When your window regulator goes, you tend to find it starts crunching. You can see the difference. That one's come off, that one's still intact, but straight away you know it's knackered. It started crunching, window won't work, so this one's going to go on.
that's it. This side front window regulator replaced. Get this turned around, need to get it jacked up, need to start stripping the front end. So the impact was to the driver's front. Yep, you can see coolant leaking. So when I bought this, I ordered the headlight and the bumper. They've now arrived, but I did then realise that the headlight is in the boot. The intercooler has broke as part of the impact. Radiator is leaking. So I've also got those bits as well. And then there's a bit of a bracket here that just needs putting back. Might need some framework. No, I don't think it is. I think it's just the bottom there, so that should be easily done. So the next step is to start stripping down this front.
That's all the bits now off. Radiator fans are being replaced. They're good. That's good, no damage. Chassis, no damage. Aircon condenser has got a little bit of a kink in it, but the aircon is running and it is working, so this is A to B car. Not going to replace that, works, it'll be fine. And then I'll just need to reshape that back, which won't take long. It is just literally the bottom there. Not really an issue. The main part of the chassis is fine. And then put it all back together. Headlights in, bumper on, and then we're good to go.
That's the end now. Give us a huge thumbs up and like to subscribe.